Hey guys, welcome back to the Dylan and Brandon Show. Today we got a banger for you guys.
Wax box, Elite
The
Wax
June Elite Wax Box. We haven't done one of these for a while, and we're back.
Okay.
Wait,
You can do the honor.
we have to read what it brings when we open it.
What do you get? Let me see, mommy.
Wait, can I like rip? Can I do one of my own?
No.
Yeah, please. Let me. Oh my god.
All right, guys. He's a sore loser. He literally did it last time, bro.
What?
Here are the packs that it can bring. It brings 7.
It comes with one of there's 8, but only one of the contenders.
I get first pick.
Are out.
Okay.
Like there's 2 of.
Give me it, bro.
I'll just whatever.
And if you're wondering, your
Yeah,
grandmother's
I opened
here.
this one because he gets first pick.
Your grandmother's here. She doesn't understand that she can't talk during the video. What a mess.
Okay. Yes, I want the rookies and stars since you're taking the certified. I'm taking rookies and stars.
Okay. Okay, bro, we're looking. Okay, you picked already?
Yeah, rookies and stars.
Okay,
From
this
2015.
is hobby. I'm gonna take
Dylan, the box is in the way.
Oh,
Cool. Go, your turn.
you took the fee. I want playoff.
Okay, wait.
Wait, move the mosaic over here.
Guys, you say which one I should pick. Jennifer. I'm not picking that one. Wait. Should I?
That's.
What year? Ooh. You know, I'm gonna take it.
I'll take this contenders and then you can get the mosaic.
Yes, sir.
Wait, how many do you have?
4.
You open first, since I have this one. Gotta save it for last.
Mosaic?
You already know.
I'm pretty sure it's Blaster. Because it brings 4 cards. I'm looking. Okay? Hi. Look at it. Okay.
Here we go.
We got Deion Sanders.
Show it to the camera.
Bang Green Jalen Hurts.
And another
Jalen Waddle rookie.
2 Jalen's in a row.
Ooh, that's wet. And a James Harrison.
Okay.
That's wet.
We're not gonna show the
Turn
base
out
cards to the
what?
camera. Because it's like a kind of a waste of time.
Guys, I took my chances on this one because
Okay, Joe
2016
Mixon,
had good NFL players and his jackets. So.
Jay Crowder,
We had really good rookies.
Jamison Crowder, not Jay Crowder from
Oh.
the Suns, Jamison Crowder from the Jets.
He bricked a bunch of
Devontae
things in our
Adams.
2K game earlier.
What do you mean? He was
But he
wet.
made some.
Josh Jacobs,
Ooh,
Darnell Mooney,
Najee
and
Harris.
Rookie of the Year, Najee.
He
Why are you spoiling the card for them?
Whoa.
They're waiting for a reason.
Contenders draft picks, 8 cards per pack. I have a feeling this has something good. I have a
Peanut
feeling.
Packers.
Fake card?
No.
Oh, why are you looking through
James
this side?
Jones, Giovanni Bernard, Earl Thomas,
Can I burp?
Russ Week, Alex Collins.
You said no, but I still did it. It
Oh,
wasn't a
school
good burp.
colors,
I have to
Paul
get a good one.
Perkins,
I have to get a good one now.
Le'Veon Bell, old school colors.
That was a good one.
Game Day, Rashard Higgins, and Game Day Popper.
Okay, time for rookies and stars from 20.
Yes, guys. Rookies
I see a die cut in there.
2050.
I see a die cut.
No.
Watch out, the packing peanut.
Let me see the die cut. No. It's a mini. Oh, it's
A mini?
It's a
No,
die
it's a
cut. It's a
die
die cut. Oh my
What,
God.
because Dylan likes selecting minis.
Steve Smith, Ryan Tannehill, Colin Kaepernick. That's already happened. Mike Glennon, numbered to 50, Marcus Mariota.
Wait, the
Nice.
die
The
cut's
packing
behind
peanuts,
it. The
watch
die cut's
out.
behind it. Save
Yeah, I'm gonna save the die cut.
Wait, there's a camera.
Look, the card goes to his back.
Watch, the packing peanuts are like going everywhere.
These are the ghosts, and Sean is trying to punch them.
Rookie Brett Hundley.
Oh, I thought that was Brett Favre.
Brett Favre.
It looks just like Brett Favre, bro. Brett.
That's also Brett.
He's fine.
Rookie Tevin Coleman. Only if he was like better. Oh, that die cut looks nice. There's 2 die cuts, I think.
No, it's not a die cut.
Yeah, there's 2 die cuts.
It's a Larry Fitzgerald.
Just a Mariota. Derek Carr,
Oh my gosh.
die cut.
Very
And
nice.
Larry Fitzgerald die cut. So that was a good idea to pick that pack.
Okay, this is coming to an end.
Let's go. Yeah, I won.
Wait,
That-
what number did you pick? That was our first pick.
That was my first pick.
We saw that.
And I still have playoffs.
Next
And it's
pack.
a pretty thick pack, so.
It's Phoenix Hybrid. We've gotten
Wait,
some
question?
really good stuff, and we've seen some really good stuff. Mark Ingram, Terry McLaurin, Randy Moss,
Aziz.
Aziza Ojarilu, on orange, Chad Johnson.
Ocho Cinco. Is the number?
Number 95 and 99.
Okay.
And
Oh,
bad.
almost, your team.
And bad.
Okay,
That means not bad.
time for playoff.
Pass back, and then you got the follow over. This has
Nope.
probably been the
No thickies in here.
no thicky thick.
Okay,
That's from Super Bowl 50.
Adam
that they
Thielen.
replaced.
I don't care.
Guys, we could go
CD
back
Lamb.
in the future and win a chance to go to Super Bowl
Brian
50.
Burns, James White,
What year was
Where the
that?
Jeffrey
Broncos
Simmons,
beat the Panthers.
Ray Lewis,
Are you sure?
Monty
I'm gonna
Rice.
search
I am
that up.
pretty sure.
Super Bowl 50.
and
Final score?
Silver,
Yes.
Tutu
Do you know
Atwell.
the final
Ricky
score?
Wade.
35 to 10. I don't know. No.
Super Bowl 50.
20. No. 17.
Oh, open the pack already.
Broncos versus
Panthers.
Panthers.
Final score. Let's see.
Start opening the pack.
Certified.
Oh my
Let
gosh.
Jenny figure it out.
24 to 10.
Yeah.
Broncos beat the Panthers.
No, really?
Oh, we got a big fat ass. Oh, in the certified. Also, first.
Get used to it. He's gonna probably like.
Oh, it's not a
slip up
filler.
and curse like.
Here
in,
we go.
A lot more videos
Stephon
of
Diggs, but it's not numbered.
Steph.
It's nice. AJ Brown. Jalen Hurts.
Let's go. I won this.
He's
won
not
this.
done.
Oh,
He has a, what do you call
A
it? A hit?
James Robinson.
double patch.
Numbered 144 out of 199.
Is it game one?
Let me check. Yes, game one.
Nice.
Gonna get a big hit.
Let's do this, Carlos.
But I think my two die cuts
I
and
can't
my
see
number
those.
card are better than. Okay.
No, I meant put him in.
I know that.
I blessed
I'm
it with-
Sean
I hope.
Who's Sean?
from FGTV. He punches ghosts.
He just does a better job than you.
Oh. Okay.
Who's it?
Unparalleled Drew Lock PA, because pass autograph is not RPA because
No.
not numbered.
It was 32.
I'll still take it. I'll still take it. Game one. So I guess I won the box battle, right?
Wait.
We need Carlitos to tell us who won. Who won? Who won?
I might want
Two die cuts, numbered card to 60. No, to 50.
Get a rookie
And then
card
the
to
PA.
And I had the Chad Johnson
Drew
orange number,
Lock.
Jalen Waddle, this, and then number this.
Oh, that's high.
Me. No,
A
you
tie.
can't call it a tie. That's not fair.
Let's let the people tell
Oh yeah,
us
yeah,
who
yeah.
won.
But you have to turn on the comments
Tell us in the comments
because
who
you keep on
won.
turning off the comments, and that's so
That's
annoying.
YouTube. It turns off the comments.
And also tell us in the comments if you like that we're not showing the base cards.
purpose.
Or if
No.
you do not like
I
that
still
Dylan burps in the video.
No,
Tell us in
they
the
love
comments
it.
too.
They love it. Like,
Okay?
obviously love it.
Okay, guys, so we'll see you later.
Oh, and the Marcus Mariota is a rookie, by the way. Bye.
Bye, guys. Look at this. I obviously got the back
See
card.
you
I
next
got
video.
Chad 1146.
Shout out for single.
I got Waddle 1242. I got Jalen Hurts 692. And James Robinson 734. All right, bye guys. See you